This is my final project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. I decided to make a website that people could come to and play puzzles, and the puzzle I chose was Marupeke. So this is a Japanese style puzzle. It's the kind that has a unique solution and you don't have to guess. So the idea is to fill in this grid with X's and O's so that there are never 3 consecutive X's or O's in any row, column, or diagonal. So you can see all this on the home page. If you want to see a video tutorial, you can go to the tutorial page. But in order to play, you have to sign in or log in or sign up. So I'm going to log in. And I can see now there's a bottom strip that allows me to begin any puzzle from 4x4 size up to 10x10. So we'll start on a 4x4. So I can choose what mark that I'm putting into the grid over here. I can, whichever letter is green is what I'm marking. So here I'm putting in O's, and I can put in O's into the grid. And if I decide I don't like what I've put in, I can restart the puzzle from the beginning. So it's the same puzzle. It's just cleared out all the marks that I've made. So if I put 3 in a row, I can see that it will make them red to show me that I have not following the rules of the puzzle. I can use the go back a move to take off the last move. Or if I change and put in an O there, that'll also change it. So we'll put in different marks here so we can see what we're doing. And when I finally put in the last one, it turns green that I've won the puzzle. So I can do a new puzzle of the same size by clicking on that, and now I have a new puzzle. Or I can go ahead and pick a different size puzzle. Notice that the font changes depending on the puzzle size so that I can fit a full grid into the screen. This is also responsive. So I can see that if I have a smaller screen, that the grids change sizes so that they all fit. I can also go to the puzzle stats if I'm interested in that. So this particular user has solved 12 4x4 puzzles, and that happens to be the high score, so that's why it's in green. This particular user has only solved one 6x6 puzzle, and another user has solved 10 of those, so you can see that. And back to the home page. And that's my final project.